Welcome back to another video where I question Lemming's things and like his things that he does and that I hate about it. And this time it's this thing. Come on, Lemming, you know better. Like, you gotta be kidding me. $45 for cardboard. And why is this here? I'm not typing in, please. No offense to the creators. I actually get why it's there. But still, why is this here? No, I don't think anyone is gonna buy this. Just buy a Quest 3S. I'd rather do that than spend $45 on cardboard and like only like 1,000 shiny rocks. Don't get it, Lemming. So like, are you gonna do something about this? Or like, are you gonna make creator codes like a discount on something? Subscribe for my anger for all the things that he does.